In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Expedia Itinerary. This is a helpful feature when you're coordinating travel plans with friends, family, or colleagues, allowing everyone to stay informed with the same booking details in one place. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Expedia website. Once the home page loads, sign in to your account so you can access your saved bookings. Logging in ensures that all your trips and reservations are available and ready to manage. After signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on the section labeled Trips. This area serves as your personal travel dashboard, where all your past, current, and upcoming bookings are organized for easy access. You'll now see a list of your trips displayed on the screen. Browse through the list and select the specific trip you want to share. Clicking on it will open a detailed view of that reservation, giving you access to all the important information related to your journey. Once the trip details are open, look for the option that allows you to view the full itinerary. This step ensures that you are seeing the complete set of travel details, including flights, hotel bookings, transportation, and any additional services associated with your reservation. With the full itinerary visible, locate the Share option on the page. This feature is designed to make it simple to send your travel information without needing to manually copy each detail. Click on the Share button to continue. You will then be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to share your itinerary with. Carefully type in the correct email to ensure the information reaches the intended recipient. Once you've confirmed the details, send the itinerary, and the recipient will receive a message containing all the relevant travel information. Alternatively, you may also have the option to copy a shareable link. This allows you to send your itinerary through other platforms such as messaging apps or social channels, giving you more flexibility in how you share your plans. After completing these steps, your itinerary will be successfully shared, making it easier for others to stay updated on your travel schedule. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.